Creative bedroom design ideas. The intimate cocoon of the bedroom, where we wind down and retreat from the external world, offers a blank canvas ripe for personal expression through interior design. Embracing the power of color, the bedroom can transform into a reflection of one's innermost self. In this place, colors speak silently of one's personality and influence the subtleties of mood and emotion. Choosing your color palette. Imagine your bedroom as a canvas where the everyday begins and ends. It's a sacred place, an intimate gallery showcasing the artistry of living. The power of a color palette is akin to the alchemist's touch, transforming the mundane into the magical. Let us explore hues and shades, exploring how they can metamorphose a bedroom into a personal haven. The harmony of hues, color harmony, achieves a visual symphony with each tone supporting the next. Complemented by secondary hues, a primary color lays the foundation for a serene yet dynamic bedroom space. Mood induction through color. Color can sway emotions and set the stage for the desired ambiance. Desire a peaceful retreat to unwind? Soft pastels or neutrals create a minimalist, quiet atmosphere for relaxation and meditation. Are you yearning for inspiration and creativity? Bold, vibrant colors can stimulate the mind and awaken the senses, turning your bedroom into a muse enclave. The illusion of space. Color choices directly influence the perception of space within a bedroom. Light shades make a room feel more airy and expansive, a perfect trick for smaller bedrooms seeking a touch of spaciousness. When used thoughtfully, darker tones can create an intimate and cozy niche that seems to wrap around you like a velvet shawl. Texture and depth with colors. Colors possess their texture, even beyond the tactile surfaces they cover. A matte finish can absorb light, softening the wall's presence, while glossy shades can add a luxurious sheen that gives the room a dynamic quality. Layering colors through bedding, curtains, and accessories introduces different textures that interact with light and shadow, adding depth to the two-dimensional space. The final brushstroke. Curate your bedroom palette with intention, as each color is a brushstroke on your domestic canvas. Allow the colors to echo the essence of your personality, to resonate with the silent poetry of who you are. With each hue's transformative power, shape your bedroom into more than a space for slumber. Create a personal sanctuary where dreams are cradled in color and every waking moment is greeted with beauty, incorporating texture and patterns. Upon crossing the threshold of a bedroom, one's senses are greeted not only by the symphony of colors, but also by the tactile allure and visual rhythm created by texture and patterns. Texture speaks the language of touch, even when observed with the eyes. In a bedroom setting, texture adds depth and character, engaging the senses in a way that color alone cannot. Integrating personal art and design elements, like the rich underpainting of a great masterpiece, textiles such as woven throws, fluffy rugs, and embroidered pillows lend tactile responsiveness to our everyday surroundings, forging an irresistible invitation to touch and explore. Repetitive patterns can initiate a dance of the eyes, fostering a dynamic yet soothing interplay, setting the pulse of the bedroom to that of a serene retreat or a vibrant studio. The art in pattern selection lies in the delicate equilibrium between abundance and minimalism, ensuring the bedroom is not overwhelmed by visual noise, but instead hums with the right frequency of individuality. Lighting as art and atmosphere. In the art of bedroom design, once the palette of colors, textures, and patterns has been masterfully applied, lighting is one vital element that can either elevate the entire composition or dull the effects of even the most vibrant choices. The glow from a lamp, the sheen of daylight filtering through curtains, or the flicker of a candle can transform the ambience, making lighting the luminescent brushstroke in the canvas of bedroom creation. If you need help with your home decor and lamps for your bedroom, please don't hesitate to contact us at sales@mondoro.com. We are happy to assist you.